Okay, today we're gonna work on putting a new brake handle on a Echo 2511T. I broke it here. Um, and I'm gonna upgrade it to the Panther bar quarter pitch. Hopefully you can see that. And put some West Coast saw felling dogs on. Hopefully. Got it broken down to this point. Figure you guys didn't need to see that. I'm going to clean all this up a little bit. First, I'm going to work on the brake handle. I don't know how I broke it, but somehow I did. So, get this cover off first. It's a T27 Torx. Pull that cover off. Broken piece is going to come off. We're going to need that guy. And we're going to flip it over here. Same thing on this side. T27's got to come out of here. Hopefully I don't have you guys too close. And this one here has got to come out. Take this little side plate off so I can get to the rest of it. Okay, take this little side plate off, and the rest of this should come off. There's another T27 here. Seems pretty straightforward. That comes out of there. Take the screw out. I'm not sure. And the new one here. Okay. There's this little metal bar here. It's got to come out. Like so. It's got to go in this one. Right in there. That snaps into there. And then we got to get it back. Gotta get back on here, but it doesn't seem to want to go on. I've never replaced one on here before, so this is all new to me. I would think that Oh, see, that took that part right out of there. I'm doing something wrong here. The little spring keeps popping out on me. Alright, let's try it again. That should seat down in there. And it wants to go. Close. There we go. Wow. I probably made that more difficult than it needed to be. I'll get this screw back in. Alright. And this guy's got to go in between there and the cover. Hopefully I'm staying in here where you guys can see. Tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. Make sure okay. Seems all right. Now for the clutch, I'm just going to use this little stubby impact, 13 millimeter. You're going to go clockwise. Don't go crazy. Just that'll take your clutch off. There's a washer in here. Then you need to replace the sprocket. Wipe some of this out while I'm in here. Take out the little needle bearing. Get some grease put on that before we put it back together. Just use a little bit of this red and tacky stuff. Not gonna go crazy with it. And that goes back on. There's the new quarter pitch sprocket. I ordered this on monkeybeaver.com. That's August Honeyke. That's his sight. It's back on. Put the washer back on. And then the clutch. And again, tighten it up. We're going to go counterclockwise. Just give it a little chooch. And that's that. Now for the filling dogs. And use a hole here, and there's one here. Got a bunch of crap in it. And these came from West Coast Saw. I have a bunch of their stuff. I'm not a professional arborist or any of that. I just do stuff around my property and help friends and family out. I was told these can be a little tricky to get started. Basically a non-threaded hole you're putting them into. And then you'll feel it start. That'll work. Okay. Then we need to get our little side plate back on. Like so. The screw's gonna go here. And this guy is gonna go here. Like so. Just clean it up a little more. And then I got the 12-inch bar, and it came with 2 chains. Now the fun part for me is always getting the chain back on this thing. I'm sure there's tricks. I'm sure there's guys gonna be screaming if they watch this that I'm doing something wrong, or there's some sort of shortcut or something. then this fun part. There we go. Make sure our cutting teeth are facing the right way, which they are. Get that on first. I think that's the best way to do it. Can't say for certain. Like I said, I'm sure there's tricks and better ways than what I know. Almost got it. Seems all right. And get our side cover on. Adjust our chain. And there we have it. Panther 12-inch mini bar and the West Coast saw felling dogs. I'd go out and find something to cut up, but unfortunately we are getting some rain finally where I'm at. It's much needed. So we'll come back with another video showing it cutting maybe. Well, hopefully that helped somebody and you found it useful, and I didn't do too bad of a job showing it. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Take it easy.